Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you one of the best screenshot applications for your Mac or MacBook. So let's begin the video. First of all, I should tell you that you do not need a dedicated screenshot app for your Mac or MacBook, as the Mac allows you to take screenshots. So if you want to take screenshot of the entire screen, you can use the keyboard shortcuts that are Command Shift 3, and the MacBook will take screenshot of the entire page, as you can see right here, and it will be saved on your Mac. The second thing is that if you want to take screenshot of a specific area, you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Command Shift 4. You're going to select the area of which you want to take screenshot, and the screenshot will be taken. However, there are some limitations with this built-in screenshot that the MacBook provides. First of all, you cannot blur any specific area of the page if you want to like some confidential information. Secondly, you cannot point or annotate the screenshot, so in that case you need to have some kind of screenshot applications. My personal favorite is this one. You can open the App Store and search for Xnip. So this is a paid app, however I have been using it for more than 2 years, and it is one of the best screenshotting apps out there, and this video is not sponsored by them. This is my honest review regarding this app. So first of all, you're going to download and install this application from the App Store after buying it. Once you have downloaded the application and installed it, we are going to launch the application. And now on the top you're going to see this scissor icon. You can start capture, open, but first of all we are going to go to preferences. From here you can select that what would be the screenshot file format, JPEG or PNG. PNG is higher quality, but it might be take much more size, and here you have other options as well. So the next thing is that shortcut. So what will be the shortcut to take screenshots? In my case I have set it up Shift Command X for my easiness. You can set up any shortcut. And finally you will tell that where should the screenshots be saved. I have set up my desktop directory. So these are some of the things that you should do first with this application. Now if you want to take a screenshot with the Xnip app, you're going to use your shortcut command, and now you can see it can select it. And also you see this pixel perfect precision, which helps you a lot if you want to take very specific area screenshots. So I can just select this particular area. And now what it makes different from the Mac is that although you have selected it, you can move the screenshot area. If you want to adjust it, then you have these different options, like you can annotate the screen with this rectangle or square, and you can change the color. If you want to show arrows, you can highlight it in this way. You can type anything here as well. Other than that, if you want to blur any specific area, let's say I want to blur the top right side, I can just use it, and you can see it is blurred. So it will help you in your privacy if you are taking screenshots of some statements or something like that. Other than that, you have this steps option, so you can type 1, you can type anything, then you can again type 2. So in this way, if you're making a guide, you can type 1 2 3 and so on. You can go back, you can cancel it, and if you want to save the screenshot, just click on this save button. Now here on the desktop you can see that the screenshot is saved. Again you see the screenshot, the step 1, step 2, and the description of those steps that I added. So if you're sending it to someone along with steps, then this can make your life much easier, because all of this thing is built in within a single app instead of multiple apps. Another useful feature of the Xnip application is that you can take screenshot of entire websites. Like if I scroll down, you can see the content is loading. So Xnip allows me to take long screenshot of these website pages. So again, I'm going to click on the shortcut key to enable Xnip, select a specific area, and then I am going to select this option which you see right here, start scrolling capture. I am going to click on it, and now I'm just simply going to scroll down, and you can see that the entire website screenshot is being captured by Xnip. After that, I am going to click on save. Now if I go back to the desktop, if I show you the screenshot, you can see the entire web page screenshot is taken. So this is another useful feature that I found with this application. So these are the main functionality of this Xnip app and how it can make your life much easier. That's all for today. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.